Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A strange thing has been spreading on social media for a couple of days that an English professor of Comsat University of Islamabad gave very dirty quiz to his students, and within that quiz it was much more than haram. There they were talking about incest relationship. Is this true or false? Let's talk about it today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very strange news that a professor of Comsat University Islamabad named Harold Bashir gives his student a quiz that discusses the relationship between siblings, a brother and sister that are in incest relationship. The children were told that in 300 words you should describe how you felt about it. What is your opinion about it? Now, there are many things to say. First of all, this case is absolutely true. There is no rumors in it. And the good news is that the professor was immediately dismissed by committee of teachers, who did not dismiss him only but also blacklisted him from the university. This incident took place on 5th January. It reached the social media a little late, and there has been a lot of uproar over it for the last 2 days. Now, these students should also be saluted that they immediately took notice of this and informed the university administration. Then they went and acted on it. And the agenda that is made nowadays, that love is love and incestuous relationships in the name of LGBTQ. This incestuous relationship is also the part of this agenda. Actually, it's the extensions of this agenda. Just as this filth is spreading in the West, its effects are becoming prominent here as well. According to them, may Allah forgive us. If there is such a relationship between brother and sister and they are satisfied, then what is wrong with this? What is the problem? This is the bogus mindset that they were presented in the last few months when they were crowded for the gays relationship, etc. Allahu Akbar, Astaghfirullah. And this wrong thinking then comes to the classes of our schools, colleges and universities. That what is the problem if the siblings have such type of immoral relationship? May Allah forgive us. Where is our society going? We have to raise our voices against it togetherly, lest it be too late. And salutation to all those who took action on this issue and highlighted it. It is also a matter of thinking whether there is a moral training system in our educational institute now, that children grow up and do not nurture his dirty thought in his mind. It shows how important it is to train our children morally well with their education, where we teach them dozens of subjects. At the same time, it is necessary to train them morally, to instill in them the fear of Allah's punishment. They should be told that our religion is based on Quran and Sunnah. Teach them that we cannot spread anything that is against the religion of Islam, the religion of Allah. A hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, in which he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam mentioned that the basic attributes of our religion is modesty. In another hadith, he Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam mentioned that if you do not have modesty, then do whatever you want. Then whatever you do, you can be expected. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.